Lamukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course today I this an update. You listen Centurion Studios. I can't get one update from Wosungove. Yes, Marai, it's fine. Yeah, so kasunon of course at 7th November as you can see if get a account ya no monde Roger. I unku na untiva I kara kawlo na kwa channel we know he. Yeah, so if you want to post afa go say inkari as you can see. Well, whether it's a title or song, I'm not sure about that. I read over in car very so with the studio, especially I shouldn't get that deep of as you can see, go post those images so she very clear production team. Yale my one kutakor nampanyas. Kuva kurina Salan the producer, kutlhela kuva kurina DJ Gift. As you can see, so yona production ya kona yale. So as you can see, no Monde Roger ta ri kona very clear. So no Monde Roger I un'we wa vanhu lava nga na power swinene eka production ya Mr Post without any doubt. A xihundla sweswo so ti ta vuya lembe ti ta vuya swinene. Nkoka ni psychology I say we're not sure about him, probably na yena nga tlhela a feature we're not sure about that at the moment. Mara ta ke vona ku va van'we va nga ta feature ka the album because ka last year a hi ngone no munhu a ri kona na psychology na yena a ri kona and also an additional lead and stuff like that. So ta ke vona swona ku sta kha swi fambisa ku yini. So ti ta vuya guys because na Limpopo Poison se yi ready swinene ku va tirha ka album ya Dr Josh Reman ku yi leswi ni swi vonisaka swona. Video already yi vekere ka channel if mi nga se vona ni ta vekela link ka top comment. So ti ta vuya hopefully ku ta ku na beef mara ko hosi ngopfu beef yi tshama yi ri kona. Mr Post did its own beef. Mr Post na December beef yi kona se hey